SugarCRM's product suite is fantastic for keeping on top of your work. But there are little features that can make it even simpler, one of which is the subject of this video. Today, we'll show you why the Active Tasks Dashlet is one little feature that you will want on your dashboards. When scheduling your day in Sugar, having every task you need to do in front of you means you can better prioritize their importance. If you know a deadline is coming, pouring more resources into a task can help you meet the deadline, of course. Especially important if it affects your sales. This is why you'll want the Active Tasks Dashlet on your dashboards. It brings all of your tasks logged in Sugar into one place and presents a quick view into any dashboard. It shows tasks assigned to anyone that is on your team within the Sugar system or view just your own. 3 columns separate the tasks. Due Now is for open tasks that have hit their deadline date or have gone past the due date, indicated with a red button letting you know what needs to be prioritized. Upcoming is any task due with a due date, with an indicator informing you of how long you have left to complete it. And To Do is for any task that you're assigned to that doesn't contain a due date, for those that are less of a priority when you've got some spare time. From a home dashboard, the module can show all of your tasks and can be added by heading to the burger icon, usually in the bottom right, Add Dashlet, and selecting Active Tasks. It also works contextually too, so if you add it to a side dashboard in a module, such as Contacts, it will only show you tasks that have that contact related to a task. It means that if you have some work outstanding for a particular client, you can see at a glance immediately what you need to do. We hope that this little feature highlight will help you with your workload. It's a simple module, but it's great as a daily driver. That's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and from everybody here at Enable, have a fantastic day.